About to be a good day today. Hopefully I catch some fish. Wow. Alright guys, got done setting up. Oh, look at that. I didn't even realize. Yeah, I just got done setting up. Alright, trout rods. Water levels seem to be really low from last time. Because I don't remember being at this low. So, let's see if we can catch fish today. Yo, I have a fish on already. I just cast it out. Oh my god. Oh my god, no way. Oh my god, no way. I lost my sandal. Yo. 5 minutes. Not even 5 minutes. Yo. I lost him. No way. Ain't no way that just happened. Bro. He came off the hook. Oh my god. That was literally just... That was 2 minutes of casting out. Cast it out, put it down, and then boom. Now I'm all soaking wet. And jam my hand into a rock. Dude, come on, please. I fell in the water. Try to get him. That's why I need a net. Where'd my sandal go? Soaking wet. This cast is right there. One already. I got another one already. Oh, I got him. Got him. Yo, I got him. I got him. Oh my god, I was just watching the video again. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is a fatty. Get on land. Let's go! Oh my god. Let's go! Oh shit! Let's go! Let's go! Yo! It's a keeper too. Oh my god. 10 minutes of each other. I got him. 10 minutes of each other. It's a keeper. Look at that. What a fatty. Yo. Oh my god. Yo. No way. No way. I was just watching the video of me failing to land that fish. He's out. Dude, I'm shaking. Yo. Oh my god. This has to be at least a 20-incher, dude. Oh my god. I almost went to the water for this guy. I'm bleeding him out. Oh my god. Oh no. I'm getting all wet, guys. I don't have a stringer. I forgot mine. This is the bait I'm using. Just marshmallows. Works here every time. The last couple times I was here, I got my PB trout, 22 inches. I just saw one jump right there too. I'm gonna cast towards it. That one has a 10 feet leader. And this one right here has a 5 feet leader. That was crazy. If I would have lost him, I would have just went back to camp. Yep, he jumps right there. I saw one jump pretty far out there. Then, yeah, I didn't see him jump anymore. These guys had one, but didn't get the hook set right. So, yeah, I'm all banged up my finger. No, my knee's bleeding right now. Look how wet I am. Fell into the water. Catch one more, I'm gonna go. Limit's already 2. Oh, man. I got him. I'm done. I'm going back to camp. No way. That's like 10 minutes after each other. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, is this like a steelhead or something? Why is it so shiny? Oh, I didn't. It is a steelhead. Dude. Is it a steelhead? Why is it so shiny? Dude. Oh my god. Oh. That's a 20-minute limit. 20-minute limit, dude. Knock this guy out really quick. Last time I was here, I waited hours just to get one. Yeah. Got my Guggen money bag. Still bleeding out. Man, look how beautiful he is. Chromer, dude. I don't know if that's a steelhead or not, but this is definitely a rainbow trout. Oh my god. What a day this has been. 2 fish in the money bag. I'm gonna go back to camp. Dude, that was a crazy morning. Fell into the water. 3 fish within 15 minutes. It's absolutely crazy. These guys out here fishing with bobbers. I'm out of breath. Pack up, go back to camp. I'm done for the day. And do a catch and cook. Either me and my uncle will be cooking it. Probably, yeah. I got one on. Oh my god. This feels like a big one. Oh damn! Come on, get on. Oh damn! Oh damn! Let's go! Right on the lip. Let's go. Just recasted this one too. Perfect hook set right on the lip. Oh man, I gotta put you guys down. Our guys are here for the third time of the day. Came back earlier because found out limit's 5 now, not 2. Last year it was 2 trout. Now they changed it to 5 for this part of the river or lake. So yeah, I gotta go catch two more. I'll be done. Caught 3 already today. I don't know if that second one was a steelhead or not, because I don't know. Just gotta catch 2 more. Limit. I think I'm just gonna go stay down here, so I'll have to keep tumbling down to get my fish. Yeah, set up real quick. Yo, just got another one. Made my rod fall down. Oh my god, dude, he's spooling me. Dude, this is huge. He's swimming towards me. Please don't lose him. He was freaking spooling me, dude. Please, where are you? Come on, don't jump. Please. I better land this one. Oh my god, he's a giant! He's a giant! This might be my PB trout. This is my PB trout. This is my PB trout. Yo! Come on. Get on land, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go! Let's go! This is my PB. I know this is my PB. Yo. Oh my god. This is my PB. This is my PB, dude. Yo. Look how big this thing is. Oh my god. Dude. Look how big this thing is. A freaking stud. Oh my god. Perfect hook set, bro. Yo. Oh my god. It is on fire today. 5 minutes of casting. I swear, this is 5 minutes of casting. Dude, what a freaking beast. Look at this thing. Oh my god. Gotta put him out of his misery real quick. Oh, I hit myself. Ah, shoot, that hurt. He's out. Man, today is such a nice day. It's not too hot, not that windy, barely even windy. Yep. Alright, I literally just casted this out and I got a fish. Look at that. Oh my god, this is absolutely nuts. Whole hour without fish, recasted, boom. Oh, it's another like kokanee or something. Sockeye, kokanee, same thing. It's a little small one. It's a hatchery, it's a keeper. It's not that big. It's like probably 15, 16 inches. Man, these guys bleed so much. Their blood is so red. I think that was the one I put the hatchery dust on. That was... I just put it on to try. See if it would work. It worked. I don't know if that was the hatchery dust or just pure luck. I'm gonna go ahead and try that again. Marshmallows. What I did was just, it's a dry marshmallow. Pop it in the water real quick, like that. Make it all wet. Throw it in the hatchery dust. It worked. Not even 30 seconds. Apparently, they say it's 30-second cast. You get a fish. Right there. I'll let you guys know if I do. See if this hatchery dust actually works. Got one. Dude, it jumped like a couple feet in the air, dude. I saw him jump and I looked at my rod and it fell down. Keeper, baby. Oh my god, look at that hook set. Right on the bottom lip, right on the middle. Yo, no way. Y'all see that? Straight on the middle. Perfect hook set. Bleed him. Move the hook. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Look at that. Man, this guy looks so small compared to the... Bro, splashed water all over my face. What a beauty. Come on, buddy. Someone's calling me.
That's how you do it. It's not the best atmosphere. What did I do with the
Fish right here. Two of the fish.
Are these drinking water?
Red meat. Look at this one. Might as well eat it raw.
This one have lime in it. Yeah, Roger Ridgeway.
You think it's
I use it, but you get some of these ones. Yes, the pot's a little small, so I gotta stir it. Matt, learn, watch how the ingredients
Don't, because we're missing a lot of stuff.
lemon, leaf, the wild ginger.
Fine. Stick it in the head.
Wrap it up real nice. Put it on the timer so you know when to flip it.
Get more foot.
Oh, we need more.
No.
There,